Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you circle nails. Don't worry, this awesome design is QT free, but that doesn't mean you won't still get plenty of attention. The awesome circles and dots only take a few minutes to create, but all your friends will want to see your nails again and again just to try to figure out how you did it. Step number one is start by painting your nails with a light pink nail polish. Step number two is using a dotting tool and blue, green, and white nail polish. Create one or two large dots on each nail. Step number three is using a dotting tool and nail polish color you haven't used, create a small dot in the center of the larger ones. Step number 4 is using a dotting tool and blue, green, and white nail polish. Create tiny dots going around the large dots on each of your nails. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Style number 2 is half circle nail art design. Both adults and kids can make their nails and stand by the opting for a half circle nail design. Women who love simplicity in their nail art can go for this unique design. Style number 2 is retro circle nail art design. Retro circle nail art design is great for individuals will love showing creativity in their outfits. Women with long to medium nail size will love this art. You can make the design bold by using blue nail polish. Show your creative side by adding glitters and using the nail stamping art to design your nails. What's fun about this design is that you can incorporate both full and half moon design on your nails. Here's you go, your beautiful dotting and circle nail art design is ready. If you have any query about this design, please comment me below. If you like my today's video, please hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye, take care, and happy winter season.